Yes guys, my name is Javante and today we were gonna doing to collect something new, something Lego boo. 8 and 1, but I only got a 6 because they don't have more stacks. Tell me fast. That's all. And wait. For the first one and only, I make this. And always done. All done. All is done. Sorry, done. Make it all. This. And one and only next is this. Wait. And you just go for it. And this what I make. Just this what I'm making. I'm just making something cooler. Wait. It's like this. And this is... They got more, wait. They got more. And I make... Oh shoot, sorry for that. Sorry for that. I'm so sorry. Very sorry. This, we were gonna put him on. Just please don't. Sorry. Next right here. And we go this. Now the next is this. Wait guys. Sorry. Just kidding. I won't let you down. Just kidding. Let's open it. I'm sorry if the box. Don't mind the box. He's hula hooping. Look at this. Hula hoop. Look at this. Hula hoop. Yeah. Hula hoop. Rubber. This is my ring. I got. And this special. I like the hair a lot. Look at the hair. Wait, let me assemble it. I like the hair. Look at it's spiky. Ouch. Look at this. Again. Spiky. Don't mind this. So this. Ouch. This. Oh, sorry, you're mad, sir. Okay, I'm gonna make faster. Let's be fast. He's mad. He's super duper mad. Sorry, sir. Sorry that I make you mad and everything is cool. Sorry. I won't let you down, sir. I want. Sorry, I won't let you down. Sorry. Boom. Oh. See, it's blurred. Ooh, hey, that's look not nice. Sorry. And we were gonna do something. Wait, guys, I forgot. Sorry, sir. I'm not killing you. It's just this. Oh no, the head. You're not. Yeah, you're mad. Eh? Okay, I know that you're mad. Okay, that looks you prettier. Wow. See, that looks you prettier. Don't be mad, because mad is not. Come on. Wait. Wow. Wow. Oh, wow. I lost my ring. See? And let's do it like this. Sir, now you're right. It's going to be fun. Thank you. Thank Thank you so much. Oh, thanks, sir. It's okay. Go to your friends and play. Next figure is this. Bro. What's this? No. They got ring. Look at that. And let's open it. So let's just kidding. They got rings. Oh, sir, you got blue shuriken. It's not, but it's super duper cool. Wow, what's this? Where's the instruction? There's the instruction in here, guys. Wow, pretty good. Minifigure. Where's the? Wait. Mm. Wait. Now we're back for the part 2. Let's see. And 4 more. Wait. See here. Wait. I'm gonna put this on this. Another one. Put this on this. And yeah. So put this, another ring. Put this and wait. Good. 2. And another one. They get too much for me. I think they touch Jenny. Rolling holes. This. Wait. This to this. And something cooler we were gonna put right on this. Wait. Resistance. Because I don't want to move it. I like this. Because it's so very cool. And that one, so very cool. I'm gonna put this. Through this. No. And this through this. And minifigure check. Go to your friends. Plus the box it's as damage, right? But it's okay. Whoa! Look at this shiny red. Look at this shiny red. Let's open. Wow. Yeah. I like this leg a lot. Shiny. Shining, shimmering, splash. What the? Sorry. It's not it. Shining, shimmering, splendid. On the prince. Enough talking. Sorry. We finished the minifigure. We're gonna shoot. And then we're gonna put on the temple. Go to your friend. The last minifigure. The 6th minifigure. Okay, go back on that. And just kidding. And go. Ooh, skeleton. I like the skeleton. So let's open it. Who like the skeleton? Who like more the skeleton? Yes, we like the skeleton. 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 We got all this minifigure. I'm gonna make it. Ooh, show. Sorry. Boom. Yes, I like the skeleton because it's the skeleton. Ooh, he's mad. The skeleton is mad. We got his ass. I like it a lot. Oh, the skeleton. Hey, skeleton. Takes the skeleton. Don't. We got sword out of here. Yes, whoa, skeleton. And we got instructions. Oh guys, I just forgot that he got this. Sorry, Mr. Skeleton. Sorry, Mr. Skeleton. Wait. Does this? Fine. Oopsie. Wait. See. Wow. And we were gonna put this shutter to your face. Like this. Get ready to your I was just pulling. Sorry. Wait. And here we have our minifigure. So let's do it. This and like, share and subscribe guys. Bye, see you in my next video.